Hello and welcome back. This is my Rottler Boring Bar. It has a 10-inch stroke, so it can go from the bottom or from the top of your block down 10 inches with the cutter on it. This cutter just screws on here, just like that. And then this machine is pretty neat. This, I haven't figured out what the screw does, because even if I have it tripped in, I can still turn it up or down. So I'm still trying to figure that out. But the cool part of this machine is it feeds up, so it sucks the bit up instead of down, like I'll show you in a minute here. But this is such a neat machine. I just finished the restoration on it. I still got a few things to finish up wiring the switch up. I just have it hooked up onto a power cord right now. So, but anyway, I'll show you a little bit of how this machine works. So the screw up top here is meant to shut this guy off. So when you tighten this, it stops the gear from turning with the handle. Just like that. Stops the handle from turning, puts all the power into here, and sucks this rod up, or sucks the elbow up. Which is pretty neat. I saw a thread about these on Smokestack yesterday, and it was kind of interesting, and a couple of guys were wondering how they were working, so I just kind of wanted to show a video of this. I haven't had the pleasure of using it on an engine yet, but I'm still working on that. I got a couple scrap blocks out in the backyard that we're going to test it on maybe this spring coming up, so that'll be quite neat to see. I am looking for some more of these cutters though. They say Rottler on them. See if you can see that, but they say Rottler right on them, and there's the different sizes there. I've been looking for some of those too, because they don't sell them anymore. So, but all in all, this is an amazing machine. Really cheap to find too. They're a little bit harder to find the old ones, but once you find them, they're fairly cheap to buy. And the best part is Rottler's still in business, and sometimes it depends on the model, but you can get parts and pieces for them still sometimes. Depends on the model. But these are such a cool machine. Saw this at an auction where we bought that wooden threshing machine from, and it was just something I had to have. It's just such a neat machine. Anyway, that's that Rottler Boring Bar. Such a cool machine. I still gotta machine some plastic pieces for this guy and wire this switch up. There's a couple of runs I want to fix too, but kind of just wanted to play with this. When I got this machine, it was really seized. It was stuck really badly, and we were working on it, and we couldn't figure out why. And the theory that we have between a friend of ours who has one as well, and ourselves, is that some people leave these machines on too long, and it sucks the quill all the way up, and it gets stuck in these bearings here. So, but these are such a neat machine. They're really fun to play with. Great thing to use. Yeah. But these heads are kind of hard to find. So, if you know of anywhere with these, be fantastic. Get some. These are awesome machines to use. Really handy for small machine works too, if you're going to do stuff for a hobby type style stuff. These aren't that great of a machine. You put them to use in an actual for-profit shop, but they're a little bit slow compared to the new stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching this little video on this Rottler Boring Bar. Thank you. Bye.